Boruto Chapter 55. Kurama is dead. The entire Naruto fandom has been worried about Naruto's potential death since the Boruto manga began. But we never stopped to think about Kurama's death, and that's precisely what has happened. Naruto's partner Kurama, the nine-tailed fox, died in chapter 55 of the Boruto Naruto Next Generation manga due to its excessive use of chakra when Naruto and Kurama use Baron mode against Ishiki Otsutsuki. Chapter 55 starts with Naruto and Kurama having a chat in the former's subconscious mind while Naruto thinks that he has died. Kurama informs him that his time hasn't come yet. However, the same cannot be said for the Kyuubi himself. Naruto is shocked and utterly devastated by Kurama's implication. His worries come true when Kurama tells him about the lie. And the lie is the Baron mode is the price of my life, not yours, Naruto. Holding back my tears and the urge to throw my phone away, I continued to read as Kurama explained his reasons for the lie. Just so you know, I never once lied to you. At no time did I ever say that you would die. If I would told you at the get-go that power came in exchange for my life, you would have hesitated to fight. Unfortunately, I agree. If Naruto knew that his partner might die, he would have never used the Baron mode. And in turn, everyone, including Sasuke, Boruto, Kawaki, Kurama, might have all died. The final panel of the chapter also shows another vessel for Ishiki code. This means that not only did Kurama die and Sasuke lose his Rinnegan, but Ishiki is still alive and well. So what does Kurama's death mean for Naruto's power level now? For obvious reason, Kurama's death has a huge impact on not only Naruto's power level but on the entire shinobi world itself. Naruto's status as a war hero and the strongest shinobi established the peace we now see in the Boruto. Remember the time when the 5 major villages were established? The first Hokage Hashirama Senju was so strong that he single-handedly captured all nine-tailed beasts, literally donated them to other villages, and kept the power balance, and everyone agreed to his policies. However, things started to change after his death. During the era of Tobirama Senju, distrust began to rise even among the clans belonging to the same hidden villages. The same is likely to happen if the news about Naruto's loss gets out. While we are yet to see how strong Naruto is now, it is safe to say that he is not the strongest shinobi anymore. However, the status can change if Naruto were to master his Sage mode and the Yin Yang Chakra. Or another possibility might be if Kurama returns. I know what you are thinking is, can Kurama still return? Well, yes and no. Let's find out. Is Kurama really dead and can he be revived? Naruto's shinobi world still does not have the Dragon Balls yet. Even though Shenror cannot help us out this time, someone equally big can. When I was trying to think that about whether Kurama will come back or not, yes and no was the answer. Let me explain. Kurama and other 8-tailed beasts were initially created by Hagoromo Otsutsuki when he split the chakra of 10-tailed after defeating the colossal beast. In Boruto, we have another 10-tail waiting around and sucking Earth's chakra to become the god tree and bear the chakra fruit. With Naruto and Sasuke having Yin Yang Chakra and their mastery of Sage mode, they can cut the 10 tails and divide it into some tailed beast again. Although the new beast will likely to have a different personality than our beloved Kyuubi, at the point I will take what I can get. Now that I have explained how Kurama can come back to life, we need to address whether he will or not. The short answer is that Kurama won't come back to life or be revived from another 10-tailed beast, because of course Naruto isn't any series like Dragon Ball where people will die again and again and they will be revived with the help of Dragon Ball. So it's not like that. In Naruto anime, the death is full and final. There won't be a revival again. Since the beginning of the manga, the plot has revolved around keeping Boruto and Kawaki as the new protagonist duo. In order to do that, Sasuke and Naruto were likely to get nerfed sooner or later, and because of this I am certain that Kurama is not coming back. Here's to Kurama, the world's best partner, who stuck with Naruto and all of us since its first appearance in 1999. Goodbye, old friend, you will be missed. Plus, another way is if Amado manages to successfully clone Kurama and put it back into the Naruto. So, but I have really low expectations of Kurama returning to the Boruto. So, and this shit hurts. I mean, Masashi Kishimoto has been playing with our hearts from a long time, and this is not the first time he has killed someone important in the series. So, that was for the video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, just don't forget to like this video and leave your comments down below. What are your thoughts about death of Kurama in Boruto chapter 55? Let me know your opinions in the comment section down below. And if you enjoyed this video, just don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I post daily anime content about top 10 top 5 listings, anime reviews, recommendations, and all sort of anime content on daily basis. So if you enjoyed, please subscribe. And that was it, and I will see you in the next one. Sayonara.